So a while ago I made a hairstyle video, 5 different hairstyles you can do with medium length hair, and I said get the video to 20 likes if you want a curly hair tutorial. And you guys really bullied the like button. Like, you hurt his feelings, and I'm proud. So if you want to find out how to get your hair curly like this, then keep watching and you'll find out. It's very easy. See you in a bit. All you'll be needing just a bunch of these. Small hair ties. So what you want to do, split your hair down the middle, section it off. Just because, especially if your hair's long, it's going to get in the way a lot. Just sectioning it off like that. Then I'm going to grab one of your little, you can't even see on the camera. Grab one of your hair ties. I like to do it like that between my 3 fingers. And then you want to grab a section of your hair. Then once you've got your little section, you just want to grab it and just start twisting. Doesn't matter what way you twist, just make sure you twist. And keep going until you got no hair left to twist, as you can see. And then once you get to the end of your bit of hair, you can just wrap it underneath the twist of hair like that. Just tuck it in, and then you hold it in place and you grab your little hair tie. Then you want to wrap it around and tie it off sort of like a bun. It's very difficult. Twist and then pull it over. And then it should be pretty secure. What they're called is Bantu knots, and you just want to basically do that all over your head until you have no more hair left. So I'll see you once I've done that. So your head should be looking like this, and now you want to go to sleep, and I'll see you in the morning. Alright, so it's morning, and yeah, they've all stayed in somewhat, which is good. If yours come out, it's just something that happens, especially if you like move a lot in your sleep, it can come out. But we're gonna untie these. They can be annoying to untie. Just try to get a good shot of this. Then you just want to unravel it, and you'll see it'll be very springy. So you want to take out all of them. So I'll see you once I've taken all the hair ties out. But what you want to do now is you want to grab these big like coils and you want to pull them apart like this. Oh my gosh, I have so much hair. And as you can see, you got curls. So you just want to do that to your whole head. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll get back to you once I've uncoiled everything. So yeah, I've uncoiled everything and I can't see a thing, but I'm hoping these are actually proper good curls like they're supposed to be. Very simple, no products needed. These last about a day, so if you don't want them, if they didn't work out on you, just go wet your hair. It gets rid of the curls. A few things you can do is you can do like a top knot, which generally looks pretty good. I don't know how it looks now because I'm working off my display on my camera. And the tighter you make your Bantu knots, the more curly your hair will be. But if you make it too tight, you're going to damage your hair. I'll give you guys a little bit of a spin because I'm on a chair right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and if you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Like in the future, I want to make like different sorts of like braided hairstyles and stuff, but my hair's not long enough for that yet, so we're gonna have to wait a while. See you guys next video. Peace.